washing our face. So if you're still using a hand to wash your face, I think this is the time for you to shift for Lumi Spa. Now I'm almost finishing my tube. So ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko lang siya doon. And then, wet your face. So this is a waterproof device. Kasi kalat ko lang siya dito. As you can see, hindi ko siya kinakalat. Hindi ko siya dinidiin to absorb. Just this, and then again, very wet face. So I'm using here, the silicone here is the firming. I usually start with wherever, but I usually start here. So as you can see my stroke, I'm going upwards. Hindi ko siya dinidiin masyado yung pressure. I just let the device work. So it has a two oscillation process, which is, if you can see, dalawa po yung umiikot sa gitna and sa outside. So they make sure that it cleans your face, your skin very well. Kahit po siya sa heavy makeup, you will see it will really clean. Ang kagandahan dito sa brush, ito hindi dumidikit yung mga dumi sa mga silicone tips niyo kasi sa brushes. Kasi sa brushes, you're just putting more bacteria, creating more bacteria, tapos gagamitin mo ulit, and then yun. Ito, washable siya. You can wash it with the flowing water. So, ganun. Masarap po yung pakiramdam kasi para siyang namamassage. Again, most of our blackheads, whiteheads are here in our nose. So, lagay nyo lang siyang ganon. Kahit wala kang ginagawa, it will do its work. So, this is a 2 minutes treatment, cleansing, that can assures you na very clean siya. You can do it 2 times a day, morning and evening pag nagigilangas kayo. Yan. Again, always upward motion. Of course, pati sa neck, daanan natin siya. Just like you can divide your face into quadrants at unahin nyo, halimbawa dito, on 2 minutes and 2, ilan ba ang division nun? In 2 minutes. Dito kasi tinututukan ko siya kasi may deep lines ako dito. Ayun. Pag tumutulog na ng ganon, so either nakakatapos na or nalolobat na talaga siya. Ayun. So my treatment is done. That's it. And then I can just wash it with water. Ito naman, pwede nyo siyang hugasan directly sa faucet. See? Very fresh. Pagkatapos nyo maghilamos, very fresh ang pakiramdam nyo. Ngayon naman, gagawin natin yung galvanic spa. So, what's galvanic spa? So, we are using here a device called this one. It is battery operated, so I just have to check my battery. Nadulas sa kamay. So, yeah. So, my battery is there. You just close it like this. You're using this one. And of course, our gel. This is treatment gel. So we have 2 kinds of gel, the treatment and the pre-treatment. So the first thing you will use is the pre-treatment. Ilagay nyo lang siya dito. Tapos ikalat nyo na hindi pa naka-on yung device. See? Kinakalat ko lang siya. I'm thinking if I will do the half face or just the full face. Okay, I'll just do the full face. And by the way, we have, and then press 1. For pre-treatment, we are using the number 1. And dapat yung hands niyo nakadiin dito, nabasa. See, it gives a beep. It means na-search na yung skin nyo. So, of course, lagi natin dapat daanan din sa neck. You can press here. Give some few seconds here. 3 seconds will do. This is to open our lymphatic drainage kung saan nadideposit or ang mga toxins. Kulang ko yung gel. Hindi ko talaga tinitipid yung gel. If you want a good result, huwag nyo siyang tipirin. Kasi kayo din naman yung magbe-benefit doon. hindi matitipid yung treatments niya. So, for millennials who are very fanatic in contouring, focus niyo dito. Ganun niyo siya, oh. Ganun. Para magkaroon ng hindi lang illusion. Because makeup gives the illusion of a contoured face. Pero ito, talagang i-contour talaga niya. And then dito, for your eye bags, not too close to your eyes, it will be below your bags. The bones, for the bones, you can feel the bones. Tapos, pwede nyo siyang, to lift the saggy brows, pwede nyo siyang i-pose doon. Lift in pose. Sa mga naman maraming mga post-acne, this is a very good device for you to lighten those acne, deep acne scars. Of course, dito, pati din sa lips siya, nakakaano din siya sa lips. Ganon. And then, of course, dito. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa kabila, yun din ang gagawin natin dito. If you're asking me if it's painful or any na vibration or what, wala po siya. Parang ginaglide lang yung metal. Kasi siya na yung gumagawa ng work. See? Pag nag-beep siya ng 2 beeps, that means the treatment is done. Kaso tinagalan ko kasi siya. So, I can set it again, lalo pag meron na. See? And it will just beep it. Concern about is this smile lines. So, ayaw natin yung malalim dito kasi nakakatanda siya. So, i-plan siya ulit natin. When I slide it down, napakababaw lang po yung pressure. But when I put it up, doon ko po siya dinidiinan. Yan. Gusto natin tumangos yung ilong kasi I'm not blessed to have a matangos ilong. Pero pwede naman siyang maging cute, diba? So, pag gusto natin i-lift siya, i-contour siya, ganun. Taas din natin. And then, let's go on our forehead to the upward motion. Yung mga may guhit dito, mga deep lines, 11. Yan, ganyan niyo siya. And then, go it on the side. Para naman sa mga wrinkles dito sa noo. Alam niyo po, pag pumupunta kayo sa mga spas, they charge you for lifting ng napakamahal. Depende po kung may pangalan yung pupuntahan nyo, like Bello or Ivy. As I have heard from Nikki, it cost 150,000 for the Thermage effect. So, why not this? Ang kagandahan nito, pwede nyo siyang dinadala. Nagta-travel kayo, pwede nyo siyang dalhin. O, diba? Pag na-stress kayo, talagang gawin nyo. I'm lucky now kasi pag day wala na yung mga alaga ko. So, it's my time. I usually do it at night. Pero, let's try this. So, let's lift our brows too. Para laging fresh. So, that's my treatment. For the pre-treatment, I'll be doing my treatment, the blue one. This is the treatment. So, ang gagawin ko is, hilamusan ko lang siya muna. Or if you have the wet ones or wet towels, pwede rin yun. Ganun lang, hindi kailangan kuskus yun. And then, I have my towels, right? Press nyo lang. Alam nyo, pati pag wipe talaga ng face, dapat tama eh. Huwag nyo kusutin yung mukha nyo. Pag kinukusot nyo, makukusot talaga siya. I can just wash this one. See, everything is, hindi siya very sensitive sa water. Ginugasan ko lang talaga yung directly to the faucet. So, it's sealed siya. Tatanggalin lang natin. Kung ano yung ginawa ko kanina, yun lang din ulit ang gagawin mo. Only set it into 3. Kalat ko lang muna yung gels. 2. I'm setting to 2. Alam nyo ba? Alam nyo. Sa mga nakilala na sa akin, alam nila na sobrang dami kong pimples before. Tapos, ang lalaki. Tapos, nagkabutas-butas yung mukha ko. Diba? And then, anong ginawa ko? Mga to lang. Of course. Kaya, very confident ako na i-share. Kasi, I already tried it. Subok ko na, and it works. Kasi malapit na tayo sa age na, huwag nang banggitin. Yun. Magpatangos nga din tayo ng ilong kahit sa ito lang. Pag kasi pinabayaan nyo at hindi nyo ginagawa ito, tapos hayaan nyo na siyang lumalim ng lumalim, the treatment will be more difficult. So prevention is better than cure. Alam nyo ba na kahit 18 years old, they can start using this device? For what? Sabihin nyo wala naman silang wrinkles. It will prevent. It will prevent yung expectation mo na magkaka-wrinkles ka. It will delay. And of course, sabayan nyo siya ng pag nasa age 30 na kayo, 40 and above, and you're worrying about your aging, signs of aging, we have supplements for that targets the genes. Mas maganda kasi din kung yung tinatarget natin is yung genetic talaga siya. Yun. So sa mga double chin, go with it. Just do like this. Tawag namin dito is wrinkle iron device. Salamat sa pagtsatsaga. Inabot na tayo ng nearly 10 minutes. So, ganun lang siya hanggang sa matapos. Actually, ganun lang siya. Inuulit-ulit ko lang. Tanggalin lang natin ito. And I have another special cream for the wrinkles sa talagang deeper lines. Ito naman yung gagawin natin with the device. With the device and with the specific head. Saan nga ba yung head niya? Ito talaga ang meron sa akin. Pero tatagalin natin yan. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to get one or pag gusto nyo maka-discount, message nyo ako. I'll tell you how. And become a part of our VIP and beauty group and beauty club. Thank you. And again, we have warranty for this. Kaya sulit siya. We have warranty, so don't worry.